1, 2, 3. Let's ready with Teacher Nadia. English lesson year 5 with Teacher Nadia. Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Today's lesson will be focusing on possessive, apostrophe S, and B questions. There are 3 objectives to be achieved, namely, use the possessive form correctly in sentences, completes the questions using correct verb to be, and respond to the questions in written. Of course, with guidance. Are you ready? Possessive is to show a relationship of belonging between one thing to another. Okay, again, possessive is to show belonging or ownership, kepunyaan. Okay, so to show this possession, we use apostrophe and S. Okay, apostrophe and S. Apostrophe is the small comma. Okay, comma kecil tu dan kita gunakan huruf S. And there are 2 styles of writing. Either we use apostrophe S or S apostrophe. Okay, apostrophe S or S apostrophe. Kita guna dua style. Okay, dua cara. Sama ada kita gunakan tanda koma kecil dulu ke atas baru huruf S ataupun S dahulu baru koma kecil di atas tu. Okay, let's see in detail. Okay, look at the picture 1. Okay, we can see the boy and the book. Okay, so let's name it as Ali. Okay, Ali and the book. So we want to say that this book belongs to Ali. So we say Ali's book. Ali, apostrophe S, and book. So now we know that the book belongs to Ali. Buku tu kepunyaan Ali. And Ali is the owner of the book, right? So Ali tu tuan buku tu lah. So we say Ali's book. Okay, now we move to picture 2. We can see mother and her bag. So we want to say that the bag belongs to mother. So how to write the sentence? Okay, we may write like mother apostrophe S bag. So it sounds mother's bag. Mother's bag. The bag belongs to mother and the mother owns the bag. Got it? Now, let's see the third picture. There are 2 boys who belong to birds. Okay, more than one boy, so it becomes boys. We just add apostrophe to the noun, which is boys. Okay, di akhir boys tu, dah ada S kan boys sebab dia lebih pada 1. Kita just tambah apostrophe. Okay, to show the possessive. Okay, kepunyaan tu. So, dia akan jadi the boys' books. Okay. Next, can you see the babies and their chairs? Okay, so now we want to talk about the chairs that belong to the babies. So we write the babies apostrophe chairs. Okay, we just put apostrophe on top of S. Okay, di atas S tu kita letak sahaja apostrophe. Okay, so it becomes the babies chairs. Got it? Thus, we could say that apostrophe S is normally used with singular nouns and S apostrophe is used with plural nouns. Alice, mothers, singular. Boys, babies, plural. Got it? However, there is an exception for irregular plural nouns which does not end with S. Okay, the plural nouns like women or children, we still need to use apostrophe S to show possession. For example, can you see the women and the lipsticks? So we want to say that these lipsticks belongs to women. So we say the women's lipsticks. Okay, the women's apostrophe S lipsticks. And for second example, we have children. Children, the plural for child. Okay, so we still need children, apostrophe S, kite. The children's kite. The children's kites. Okay? So these are the examples of how we use apostrophe S for the singular nouns. Okay? Whose book is this? This is Amin's book because Amin is only one. Whose pen is this? This is my sister's pen. My sister's only one. Whose book is this? This is my teacher's dictionary because teacher is only one. Whose desk is this? This is my friend's desk. Only one friend that I have. Okay? So all the nouns used in these sentences refer to the singular noun. So that's why we use apostrophe S. Okay? And here is the list of examples for plural nouns that use S apostrophe. Okay, you can see that the boys, more than one boy. Okay, the girls, the kids, the friends. So these are the plural form for the nouns. Okay, they already have S, so we just put apostrophe. Okay, ni semua untuk kata nama yang lebih pada satu. So kita tak perlu tambah lagi S, kita just put apostrophe di belakang tu. Okay, untuk menunjukkan kepunyaan. Okay, now please refer to your textbook on page 7. Okay, number 1, you look at there. Okay, the teacher's mobile. How many teachers involved? Only one. Okay, so one teacher means singular. That's why kita guna apostrophe S. Okay, teacher apostrophe S. Okay, Harry's bag. Only one boy named Harry. So we put Harry apostrophe S. Harry's bag. Okay, Harry and Eva's desks. Okay, look at Eva. Okay, we refer to the last. Kita tengok yang nama hujung sekali. Harry dengan Eva, dua orang. Tapi Eva, kita rujuk pada pronouns di belakang tu. Eva seorang, so kita buat apostrophe S juga. And the students' chairs. Students, dah ada S, plural. More than one student becomes students, dah ada S. So we just put apostrophe di belakang S. So plural. Jadi rules dia, ditanyakan, number 1 tu ditanya, we use apostrophe S for possession with apa? Of course, the singular verb. Okay. And number 2, we use S apostrophe for the possession with, of course, plural words. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, and number 2, it asks you to write phrases for 1 to 4. Use the possessive apostrophe S or S apostrophes. Okay, yang ni you all kena tulis semula dalam bentuk possessive. Okay, contohnya kan dia bagi Paul desk. So kita kena gunakan apostrophe S ataupun S apostrophe. Cuba rujuk pada contoh yang telah teacher berikan sebelum ni. Tengok, nouns kat depan tu plural ke singular? Okay, contohnya Paul desk. Paul, okay, cuba tanya, how many Paul? Berapa orang Paul ni? Oh, seorang je. So kalau seorang, letak saja apostrophe S. Okay? Faham tak? Okay, I hope you can do this by your own. Okay, later we check the answer. Okay? Now we are moving into second subtopic, which is B questions. A part of asking question using WH question, we can use the verb to be, to ask. Okay, now let's look at the dialogue on page 7, your textbook. Can you spot any of the question tag using verb to be? Let's check them out. Okay. Are you at work? Are you in class? Are you okay? Is it there? Are they in the drawer? Are they in my room? Yes, those are the examples of using verb to be in asking question. So to form the question using be or verb to be, we must identify the subject in the questions. And of course, subject and verb must be in agreement. So let's recall. To form the be question, we must use verb to be in front of our sentence, followed by the subject pronouns. For example, if we use the subject pronouns you, so the verb to be is are. So our question should be, are you at work? Or are you in class? Or are you okay? For the subject pronouns it, the verb to be is. So the question should be, is it there? Is it there? Or is it okay? For they, the verb to be is are. So the question should be, are they coming? Are they coming? Now look at the short answers if we want to respond to this kind of question. Always provide the answer by using yes or no in responding to this question. If someone asks you, are you at work? Yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Are you in class? Yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Are you okay? Yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Is it there? Yes, it is, or no, it isn't. Are they coming? Yes, they are, or no, they aren't. Okay, exercise time. Okay, for this exercise number 4 and 5, please copy down these exercises into your E1 and you may find this from your textbook page 7. Okay, number 4 tu lengkapkan table tu dengan menggunakan verb to be yang sesuai, dan number 5 tu pun lengkapkan soalan tu dengan menggunakan verb to be, tetapi nombor 5 tu you kena provide the answer. Cuba jawab soalan tu. Contohnya, are you good at skateboarding? Okay, you pandai tak main skateboard tu? So kalau pandai, you just answer yes, I am, or no, I am not. Okay, try to answer this. Good luck.